Hey, as most of y'all know, I usually drink milk and never bourbon. So that's why today I'm making a bourbon and pineapple glazed chicken. It's about 65 degrees, 60 degrees, I don't know. It's cold. I got the Old Smokey today, right? $40 grill. We're going to spatchcock this chicken up, season it, put it on the Old Smokey, and then finish it with that bourbon pineapple glaze. I hope you stay with us. You can see I got my chicken spatchcocked here. And for my rub today, I'm going to use this Jack Stack all-purpose rub. Absolutely the most popular rub in our Armadillo pepper store. Now, I'm not going to use any binder today. Just going to season this guy up on both sides. You could use a little olive oil if you wanted a binder. You could use mayonnaise. I'm out here camping. I don't have either one. Well, I do have olive oil, but I just don't want to mess with it today. Looks like it's sticking okay to me. We're going to do both sides of this guy. Then we're going to get it over here. Oops, sorry. To our Old Smokey $40 grill. Got this Old Smokey set up for 2-zone. You can see no coals over here. Got some coals over here. What I'm putting here is some brandy wine oak chips. That's right. It's old oak barrels that wine was aged in. Just put about 3 handfuls. I don't know how much that is. All right. Let's get our grilling grate back on here. Let's get that chicken on here. All right, when I get the lid on, I'm pretty sure this fire will die back down. The Old Smokey's running about 330 degrees. Oh, look at that chicken. Chicken's up to 145. Just want to have a look, right? Let's look at the bottom side here. Looking good. I'm not even going to turn it. Let's just keep it like this. We're going to make up that bourbon pineapple sauce to start glazing this bad boy chicken. To start this sauce out, I got 3/4 of a cup of pineapple juice. Oh, look what we got here. Good stuff. Maker's Mark. We're going to put 3/4 of a cup of Maker's Mark in here. Alright. Oh yes. Be careful, right? This is a burner. You don't want to cause a fire like I've done many times before. I'm going to put about a 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic. And then we're going to put, what would you say that is? That's 1 tablespoon?
Mm-hmm. Tablespoon.
2 tablespoons of brown mustard. And then we're going to put some of this what's here sauce. Oh, at least a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half. Now we're just going to stir it up. I'm going to bring it to a boil. And then we're going to reduce it, I hope, to about half. This chicken's getting close. We're going to reduce it down. Oh man, does this smell good. You can use your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm going to use this Budweiser Honey. It's going to add a little sweetness. We're going to go about, I'd say that's 1/4 of a cup to 1/3 of a cup. Okay? And then the last thing I want to do is totally optional. It's a little bit of this chili garlic sauce, just for a little spice. If you don't want spice, don't put it. Probably 2 tablespoons. Alright, so this will give it a little bit color. Oh, looking good. Let me put just a little bit more of that Budweiser Honey barbecue sauce in there. Probably, I overestimated it before. We're probably 1/3 of a cup total. Yeah. And our chicken's up to 155. We're going to start glazing this chicken. Our sauce thickened up. Look at this. Took about 15 minutes to get it thickened up, and we didn't show it in the video, but we added some brown sugar. How much brown sugar did we add?
1/4 cup.
We added 1/4 cup of brown sugar. As always, we'll have this all down in the description box below, the detailed ingredient amounts. I'm telling you, this chicken smells, and you can see it for yourself. Looks awesome. And then to go with this whole pineapple theme, we got some fresh pineapple pieces. We're gonna grill these bad boys up. Serve it with this chicken. What do you guys think, huh? Hawaiian chicken, pineapple-bourbon chicken. I don't care what you call it. You know it's gonna be awesome. Let me get this lid back on this Old Smokey. And I'm gonna let this pineapple go for just, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes, turn it over, then I'm gonna glaze it also. It's been about 4 minutes, I don't know, maybe 5. Let's check on it. Look at the chicken, is gorgeous. Okay. Oh, I'm surprised the pineapple don't have more grill marks on it, but it doesn't. That's okay. A little bit over there. I'm going to go ahead and glaze it. I try to wait, but my chicken's getting close to done. If you want more grill marks on the pineapple, you can start it earlier, I should say. I gotta tell you, it smells so good. And you know, I don't think am I gonna turn this chicken over and glaze the other side? Let's have a look. You know, what the heck, why not? You don't have to. I'm going to glaze the other side. Oh. We'll glaze this side also, why not? We got the glaze. Then I'll get this lid back on it. We'll let it go, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. Get this stuff off here. Do a taste test, right? Taste test. I think we're about roughly an hour and a half total. Charcoals are burning out. Let's get this chicken off here. Let's try all this stuff, right? Get our pineapples off, looking great. Okay, our chicken's been resting here about 10 minutes, roughly. Oh, it's looking good. Sorry for my arm, but I got this guy all spatchcocked up, and I'm right-handed, and I'm on the left side. Let me just get this cut. We're gonna
That looks so pretty.
All right. There's a bite for you. There's a bite for me. And you want a piece of pineapple, right?
Uh-huh.
How about that?
Oh,
There's a piece of grilled pineapple. And a piece of chicken. And a piece of the skin. And you can have the fork. Everybody's used to me eating with my fingers. Ooh, pineapple's still warm. Okay.
That's super delicious.
Ooh, now I like the little spice at the back end. It's got all this sweetness on the front from the pineapple. And then you get to the back end and it's got that spice. I guess that's from a chili sauce.
Yeah, so good.
And we put anything else? Oh, it's really juicy. I don't know if you guys can see how juicy it is or not.
That's super good.
I don't think I put any spice in it, right? Other than chili sauce, right?
The chili sauce.
Chili with the garlic. That's the wonder dog barking.
It's really good.
Okay. Holy crap. The smoke is very, very mild. Juicy, tender, sweetness from the pineapple. And like we already said, you get that little spice from that chili garlic sauce. It's not hot. For those of you who don't like hot stuff, don't worry about that. Sorry that the genius dog won't hush. Oh, I would definitely
so good.
Make this again.
Oh, yeah.
Huh? The skin, you know, because we cooked a little bit over 300 degrees. I think it was 370, whatever I said in the video. I don't remember, 360. It's a little crispier than like if you cook on the Masterbuilt, you know, because it only cooks at 275. You can't get that crispy skin. Hey, could you please hush?
Glad we put the brown
If you're
sugar
good,
in
I'll
it.
give you a piece of chicken. Huh?
Glad we put the brown sugar in it because it's got a little bit of that, gives it that crunchy glaze to it. I like it.
This is awesome. Hey, if you're not subscribed already, I hope you hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell. You'll be notified of all of our new videos. And I got to get my dog and let him have a piece of this chicken. This is the genius dog. She's 10 months old and weighs 64 pounds.
Do you like it, Sadie?
You want a piece of pineapple? Hey, thanks for watching.